guys, it's Mel from Melody Crochet. Thanks for stopping in and choosing my channel to join the back loop single crochet crowd with. What we're going to do is chain one for height, which you're going to do in almost every situation for back loop single crochet, and turn. And when you're looking at the anatomy of any crochet stitch, the top of them is going to be a V. This doesn't count, that's that chain one we just made. So this is your first, right after your chain, this is your first stitch, and it's a V. You're going to plant your hook right between the legs of those V's and go toward your middle finger up top. So in and back. And that's back loop right there, the guy that's on your hook right now. Yarn over, draw up that loop through the leg, 2 strands on your hook, yarn over, pull over everything on your hook. I'm going to do that smoothly and quietly. There we go. Awesome. So that's what it looks like, and it's going to form a little ribbing. Super simple motion, but so effective. It makes the absolute best hat ribbing, the absolute best ribbing at the bottom of a sweater, the absolute best ribbing for your wrists. And that line right there is made because we didn't, that's the front of the V. And it's just so lovely, isn't it? I'm gonna do a couple rows really quick, just so you can see how it looks after 5 or 6 rows. That should look like. Notice no tight crocheting. Crocheting should be fun. Okay, I'm gonna chain one, just locking my stitches. Now, this is what the ribbing should look like. You have that little high area, low area, and when you're counting, remember this is 2 rows in between each high area. So this would be 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, 4 rows. This is 4 rows total. It can be hard to count, and you don't want to miscount this for a hat because you'll end up with a really small or really large area. So thanks so much for joining me. If you have any questions or comments and would like to see any other basics videos, I would love to hear of that down below in the comment section. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Take good care. Bye-bye.